Hi everyone, myself Kari Ravi. If you want notes, join us on Telegram. If you ask any doubt, ask me on Instagram. If you want to demand any video, you demand on email. We are back. In this video, we are learn two topics. First one is types of triangles. Second one is properties of triangles. Okay. In this video, first one types of triangles. So total 6 types of triangles are there. So as per sides 3 triangles and as per angles 3 triangles are there. So here as per sides 3 are. First one is equilateral triangle and second one is isosceles triangle and third one is scalene triangle. Okay, first one equilateral triangle, second one isosceles triangle, third one is scalene triangle. Equilateral triangle means in which triangles all sides are equal, that is equilateral triangle. In which triangle all sides are equal, that is equilateral triangle. So first I am taking one diagram. This is a triangle. Okay, this is A, B and C. So AB side and BC side and AC sides, all sides are equal. For example, I am indicating this is side, this is side, this is side. AB I am taking for example 5 centimeter and BC also compulsory 5 centimeter and AC also compulsory 5 centimeter. Here all sides are equal, that is equilateral triangle. AB is equal to BC is equal to AC. So here I will write AB side is equal to BC is equal to CA or AC. All sides are equal, that is 5 centimeter. And the second one is isosceles triangle. In which triangle any two sides are equal, that is isosceles triangle. In which triangle any two sides are equal, that is isosceles triangle. Okay, diagram I will take. This is triangle. Here I am taking P, Q, R. For example, next, this is PQR triangle, PQR. So PQ side is equal to PR side. In this diagram, these two sides are equal, that is PQ is equal to PR. PQ is equal to, next, PR. 1 minute. PR. Here two sides are equal, that is isosceles triangle. First one equilateral triangle means all sides are equal. Isosceles triangle means any two sides are equal. Next, third one scalene triangle. In scalene triangle means all sides are not equal, or any two sides are not equal, that is scalene triangle. Scalene triangle means all sides are not equal or any two sides are not equal, that is scalene triangle. Okay, scalene triangle. This is the scalene triangle. X, Y, Z. Here XY measurement is different, XZ measurement also different and YZ measurement also different. So here all sides are not equal or any two sides are not equal, that is scalene triangle. So here XY is not equal to YZ is not equal to ZX. This is scalene triangle. Once again, as per sides 3 triangles. First one equilateral triangle, second one isosceles triangle and third one scalene triangle. So So equilateral triangle means all sides are equal. Simple. All sides are equal. That is equilateral triangle. Example here I am taking 5 centimeter, 5 centimeter, 5 centimeter like that. Not exactly 5 in other cases. AB is equal to BC is equal to CA. This is equilateral triangle. Second one is PQR triangle means that is isosceles triangle. This is first one. Equilateral triangle and this is second one ABC equilateral triangle PQR isosceles triangle and third one this is scalene triangle XYZ. This is scalene triangle. Okay, next come to as per angles. That there are three triangles. First one acute angled triangle, second one right angled triangle and third one obtuse angled triangle. Once again acute angled triangle, first one, second one right angled triangle and third one obtuse angled triangle. Okay, I will take the diagrams. First one acute angled triangle means in which triangle any angle compulsory less than 90. For example, diagram, draw the diagram. So A, B, C. Angle A, angle B and angle C. So sum of three angles 180. Okay. So each angle is must be less than 90 degrees. Each angle is less than 90 degrees. For example, I am taking this is 60 degree, this is 70 degree and this is 50 degree like this. So each one here less than 90 degrees. That is acute angled triangle. ABC triangle in ABC triangle angle A 60, angle B 70, angle C 50 degrees. So here each angle must be 90 degrees. That is acute angled triangle. And the second one right angled triangle means in which triangle any one angle is must be 90 degrees. That is right angled triangle. Here this is the diagram. X, Y, Z. So here angle Y exactly 90 degrees and angle X and angle Z are less than 90 degrees. Means X value, Y value compulsory less than 90 degrees and only Y is equal to 90 degrees. So this is the second one, that is right angled triangle. And come to obtuse angled triangle. In which triangle any one angle is more than 90 degrees, that is obtuse angled triangle. Okay, this is the diagram. Okay, this is a PQR triangle. Here angle Q is more than 90 degrees. That is obtuse angled triangle. Here angle Q is greater than 90 degrees. Here angle Y is equal to exactly 90 degrees. Here all angles must be less than 90 degrees. This is obtuse angled triangle, right angled triangle and acute angled triangle. Once again I will repeat. As per angles 3. First one acute angled triangle. So this is acute angled triangle means in which triangle any one angle is less than 90 degrees, that is acute angled triangle. Right angled triangle means in which triangle any one angle is exactly 90 degrees, that is right angled triangle. In which triangle any one angle is more than 90 degrees, that is obtuse angled triangle. Here angle Q is greater than 90 and angle P and angle Q, these two are less than 90. angle P and angle R less than 90 degrees. Here angle X and angle Z also less than 90 degrees. Here each angle also less than 90 degrees. So this is types of triangles. Okay. Now continue. Okay, continuation. Second topic, that is properties of triangles. Total 8 conditions are there. First one, sum of 3 interior angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. Okay, condition I will repeat once again. Sum of 3 interior angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. Or sum of 3 interior angles of a triangle is 2 right angles. Or sum of 3 interior angles of a triangle is 1 straight angle. So same both are. Once again, sum of 3 interior angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. Or sum of 3 interior angles of a triangle is 2 right angles. Or sum of 3 interior angles of a triangle is 1 straight angle. Okay, I will check. This is a triangle ABC. Okay, angle A I am taking 60 degrees and angle B I am taking 70 degrees and angle C is equal to 50 degrees. A value 60 degrees, B value 70 degrees and C value 50 degrees. So sum of 3 interior angles of a triangle 60 plus 70 plus 50 is equal to how much? 60 plus 70 plus 50 is equal to 180 degrees. Or 2 right angles. 2 right angles. Right angles means 90 degree. 2 right angles means 90 plus 90 is equal to 180 degrees. Or another one, 1 straight angle. Straight angle means exactly 180 degrees. That's why I am taking 1 straight angle. Okay. So here in this triangle, ABC triangle, this is which type of triangle means? This is ABC triangle. Which type of triangle means? Acute angled triangle. Because each angle is less than 90 degrees. So according to angles. And this is which type of triangle means? This is scalene triangle because all sides are different. Means any two sides are not equal. Okay. So here 60 plus 70 plus 50 is equal to 180 degrees. This is the first properties of the triangle. And come to second one. So interior angles I am taking. What about exterior angles? So for example, I will extension BC side. We get exterior angle, one exterior angle. Again I am extending AC line like this. So we get one more exterior angles. Again AB extended up to some. Again here we get one exterior angles. So this is one exterior angle, this is one exterior angle and another one exterior angle. So example, this is one straight line. Here how much? 50 degree and remaining angle is how much? Here exactly sum of these two angles 180 degree. Means here already 50 is there. Remaining how much? 130 degrees. So here 60 is there. Remaining 120 degrees. Here 70 is there. Remaining 110 degrees is there. So second condition, sum of 3 interior, sum of 3 exterior angles of a triangle is 360 degrees. Once again, sum of 3 exterior angles of a triangle is 360 degrees. Or sum of 3 exterior angles of a triangle is 4 right angles. Or sum of 3 exterior angles of a triangle 2 straight angles. 4 right angles or 2 straight angles are 360 degrees. So here 120 degrees, that is exterior angle, 110 that is exterior angle and 130 is exterior angle. I will add 120 plus 130 plus 110. 0, 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 1, 6, 1 plus 1 plus 1. So total 360 degrees. Once again, sum of three exterior angles of a triangle is 360 degrees, or sum of three exterior angles of a triangle is 4 right angle. 4 right angle means 4 into 90, that is equal to 360. Again, once again, sum of three exterior angles of a triangle is 2 straight angles. 2 straight angles means 2 into 180 is equal to 360 degrees. So, okay, continuation, third point and fourth point. Okay, third one, sum of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side. Once again, sum of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side. Okay, I will take the diagram. This is the triangle ABC. I am taking ABC triangle. ABC triangle. What is the condition? Sum of any two sides. For example, I am taking AB plus BC. I will write here AB side plus BC side. What is given? Sum of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side, that is AC. Sum of any two sides is greater than the third side, or I am writing reverse. BC plus AC is greater than AB. This is also correct. And one more thing, AB plus BC is greater than AB plus BC already is there. AB plus AC, sorry. AB plus AC is greater than BC. AB plus BC is greater than AC. And the second one, BC plus AC is greater than AB. And the third one, AB plus AC is greater than BC. This is the third condition. Sum of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side. This is the third condition. Next, come to fourth condition. The difference between any two sides of a triangle is less than the third side. Once again, the difference between any two sides of a triangle is less than the third side. So here we are taking differences. Differences AB minus AC. So here AB minus AC is less than AB minus BC is less than AC. AB minus BC is less than AC. And second one, BC minus AC is less than the AB. And the third one is AB minus AC is less than BC. Okay, I will take some different bits. Okay, fourth one. The difference between any two sides of a triangle is less than the third side. So in this diagram, ABC triangle, AB minus BC is less than AC. And BC minus AC is less than AB. And also AB minus AC is less than BC. This is the fourth condition. Once again, I will read third one and the fourth one. Sum of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side. Next, the difference between any two sides of a triangle is less than the third side. Okay, I will repeat first one, second one and third, fourth. First one is what? Sum of any three interior angles of a triangle is 180 degrees, or sum of three interior angles of a triangle is two right angles, or sum of any two sum of any three angles of a triangle is one straight angle. Second condition is sum of any three exterior angles of a triangle is 360 degrees or 4 right angles or 2 straight angles. And third condition, sum of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side. And fourth one is the difference between any two sides of a triangle is less than the third side. Okay, now next one. Okay, fifth property, exterior angle of a triangle is equal to sum of two opposite interior angles. Once again I will repeat. Exterior angle of a triangle is equal to sum of two opposite interior angles. Okay, exterior angle is equal to sum of two opposite interior angles. Okay, I will draw that. This is the triangle ABC triangle. So I am taking here angle C, exterior angle. Okay, for example I am taking a D point. ACD is exterior angle. Exterior angle is equal to sum of two opposite interior angles. So here angle A interior and angle B also interior. Here angle C means ACD is equal to exterior angles. Here I will write here angle ACD is equal to angle A plus angle B. This is the property. Once again, exterior angle of a triangle is equal to sum of two opposite interior angles. This is the fifth condition, means property. Once again, exterior angle of a triangle is equal to sum of two opposite interior angles. Next condition, that is sixth one, in equilateral triangle. Equilateral means already we know that all sides are equal, angles are equal. That is the condition. In equilateral triangle, all sides are equal and all angles are equal. That is sixth condition. Okay, in equilateral triangle, all sides are equal and all angles are equal. This is the sixth condition. I will repeat once again, fifth and sixth. Exterior angle of a triangle is equal to sum of two opposite interior angles. And sixth one, in equilateral triangle, all sides are equal and all angles are equal. So here equilateral triangle I will draw here. This is equilateral triangle example I am taking. Angle A, angle B, angle C. This is angle A and angle B and angle C. For example, AB is equal to BC is equal to C. All sides are equal. I am taking example 6 centimeter, 6 centimeter and 6 centimeter. Example I am taking example only, not exactly 6 centimeter. AB is equal to BC is equal to CA is equal to 6 centimeter, means all sides are equal. And angle A, exactly in equilateral triangle compulsory 60 degree, 60 degree, 60 degree. For example, 61 degree is there, it is not a equilateral triangle. Maybe that is acute angle triangle or scalene triangle or right angle triangle. Okay, here equilateral triangle means exactly angle A is equal to angle B is equal to angle C is equal to exactly 60 degrees. So here exterior angles also, here 120 plus here 120 plus here 120. 120 plus 120 plus 120 are 360 degrees. Exterior angles 360 degrees. Okay na? Next once again repeat first one. Properties again once again I will repeat. Sum of three interior angles of a triangle is 180 degrees or two right angles or one straight angle. Once again, sum of three interior angles of a triangle is 180 degrees or two right angles or one straight angle. This is the first one. Second one, sum of three exterior angles of a triangle is 360 degrees or four right angles or two straight angles. That is the second one. Third one, sum of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side. Once again, sum of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side. That is the third one. Fourth one, the difference between any two sides is less than the third side. Sum of means greater than, difference means less than. And fifth condition, exterior angle of a triangle is equal to sum of two opposite interior angles. So that is the fifth one. And sixth condition, in equilateral triangle, all angles are equal and all sides are equal. Next condition, next property, seventh and eighth. So seventh property, in isosceles triangle, equal sides opposite angles are equal. That is seventh condition. In isosceles triangle, equal sides opposite angles are equal. First I will take isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle means what? Any two sides are equal. This is A point to B point to C point. So here AB side is equal to AC sides. AB side is equal to AC side. Here what? In isosceles triangle, equal sides here which are AB is equal to AC. Right here AB is equal to AC. These two equal sides. Equal sides opposite angles are equal. So AB side opposite angle is what? Angle C. So here angle C is equal to. And AC side opposite angle, that is B. So here angle B. Okay, that is angle C is equal to angle B. So once again, in isosceles triangle, equal sides opposite angles are equal. That is seventh condition. Next, eighth condition. In isosceles triangle, it's reverse. Equal angles opposite sides are equal. So here I am taking another triangle, that is PQR. PQR is isosceles triangle. So first of all here equal angles. Angle Q is equal to angle R. So I will write angle Q is equal to angle R. Its opposite sides. Angle Q opposite side is what? To PR. Here PR is equal to angle R opposite side is what? To PQ. Okay. So here PQ is equal to PR is equal to PQR. PQ is equal to PR. Once again I will repeat. In isosceles triangle, equal angles opposite sides are equal. It's opposite this one, it's opposite this one. Seventh condition opposite eighth one, eighth condition opposite seventh one. Okay, I will repeat all properties. First one, sum of three interior angles of a triangle is 180 degrees or two right angles or one straight angle. Now second one, sum of three exterior angles of a triangle is 360 degrees or four right angles or two straight angles. That is 360. Next, third condition, sum of any two sides is greater than the third side. Sum of any two sides is greater than the third side. And fourth one, the difference between any two sides is less than the third side. Next, fifth one, exterior angle of a triangle is equal to sum of its opposite two interior angles. Next one, in equilateral triangle, all sides are equal and all angles are equal. Next, seventh condition, in isosceles triangle, equal sides opposite angles are equal. And last one, in isosceles triangle, equal angles opposite sides are equal.